KD2 ETP here, raining on field day, coming down. So we'll see. I got one antenna up over here. It's a 15-meter half square. I just contacted one 9 Alpha, 1 Alpha, I believe, Croatia. I'd have to look it up. I put it in the logbook. I got the 991A with a vertical collinear 2-meter 440 antenna hooked up. I've been calling out a little bit on that, but I haven't received any responses. Obviously not taking any points as of right now because it's still a little early, but hopefully this rain subsides a little bit. And then Andre is over there. He is tapping away on some C-dub, I think.